Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure IntelliJ IDEA for Spring Boot with Gradle, complete guide step by step clearly. Open IntelliJ IDEA on your computer. If you do not have IntelliJ IDEA installed, download it from the official website and install it. Once IntelliJ IDEA is open, select Create New Project. In the Project Type menu, choose Gradle. Next, tick the box for Use Auto Import. In the next window, enter your group ID and artifact ID for your Spring Boot application. Choose a suitable project location on your file system. Click Finish to create the project. IntelliJ will now set up your project structure. After the project is created, locate the build.gradle file in the project view. Open the build.gradle file to configure dependencies. Add the Spring Boot plugin by including the following line: id.org.springframework.boot version 2.6.6. Add the dependency for Spring Boot Starter Web by including implementation org.springframework.boot Spring Boot Starter Web. You might also want to add the Spring Boot Starter test for testing purposes. Test implementation org.springframework.boot Spring Boot Starter test. Once you have added the required dependencies, click on Synchronize in the Gradle tool window. After synchronization, ensure your project compiles without errors. Next, create a new package for your application inside src/main/java. Right-click the package and choose New then Java class to create your main application class. Name this class appropriately, like application. In your application class, use the @SpringBoot annotation. Within the same class, create the main method and use springapplication.run, application.class, args, to launch your application. Next, create a simple REST controller to test your setup. In the same package, create a new class called HelloController. Annotate this class with @RESTController. Create a method inside the class with @getMapping/hello that returns a simple string message like hello, world. Now, back in the IDE, run your application by right-clicking the main class and selecting Run. Once the application is running, navigate to your web browser. Enter http://localhost 8080/hello in the address bar. You should see Hello, World displayed on the screen. Congratulations, you have successfully configured IntelliJ IDEA for Spring Boot with Gradle. You can now continue developing your application by adding more features and functionality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.